Hello, I'm Coinuniverse. In this video, I'll let you know what Binance has to help your trading analysis. You can create a customized tool set for technical analysis through the Trading View. Let's get into the tutorial and see how to use it on Binance.
Opening Trading View.
You can use the Trading View and trading tools in both the classic and advanced versions of Binance UI. These two views offer different, editable UI layouts and are switchable at any time. Log into your account, hover over Trade button, and click either Advanced or Classic. Click on Trading View above the chart. You will get full access to the trading tools available and candlestick charts. You will note that moving averages are already displayed on the chart. Click on Settings. You can customize the settings. Each moving average is adjusted according to the specified time frame. Click on Depth. This provides a visual representation of unfilled buy/sell orders on the order book.
Candlestick charts.
This is a graphical representation of the price movements of an asset. You can set the time frame of each candlestick and see represent a given period. Each candlestick contains the open price, close price, high price, low price, along with the highest and lowest price in the period. Open, the first recorded trading price of the asset within that particular time frame. High, the highest recorded trading price of the asset within that particular time frame. Low, the lowest recorded trading price of the asset within that particular time frame. Close, the last recorded trading price of the asset within that particular time frame. Double-click on any of the candles in Trading View to bring up its settings. Symbol allows you to change the way your candlesticks look. And you can choose your time zone. Status line. You can check the boxes to make them visible or not on the chart. Scales gives numerous options for the scaling and margin of your candlesticks, including auto scale, log scale, and percentage scale. Appearance provides options for changing the look of the candlestick chart's background. And you can also zoom in with the Control key.
Time intervals.
You can select one of the default options on the graph for the time frame each candlestick represents. And if you need more intervals, click here. You can select a new interval or click on Edit to add more intervals to your default options.
Drawing tools.
You can use several drawing tools and options to analyze with your chart. You can also right-click each tool to find variations of the tool's primary function. Cross. Trend line. Pitchfork create trend channels. Brush. Text. XABCD pattern. Long position. Icon. Measure. Zoom in. Magnet mode. Stay in drawing mode tools. Lock all drawing mode tools. Show object tree name and group drawings. Remove drawing tools.
Popular basic tools.
You can track or simulate a trading position by using this tool. You can manually adjust the entry price, take profit, and stop loss levels. You will then see the corresponding risk-reward ratio. Select either the long position or short position tool. Click on the graph to create your long/short position. The green shaded area represents your target, whereas the red shows your stop loss area. At the center, you can see the risk-reward ratio. Drag the borders of the box to change your risk-reward ratio. Target shows the difference in price between your entry price and the take profit level. Stop shows the price difference between your entry price and stop loss level. Double-click the long position, short position chart to adjust its settings. You can change the way your tools look. You can change the investment amount under inputs, along with your percentage risk, and allow you to change your take profit, entry price, and stop level numerically. While visibility offers graphical customization. Here are all the basics to get started. Start using trending view tools on Binance for your technical analysis today. Thank you for watching this. If you need more tutorials, please like and subscribe. If you have any questions, leave them down. I will reply and have a chat with you.